I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all the speakers, participants, and organizers who have made this summit a success. Together, we have made significant strides in identifying solutions to the sustainability challenges facing Pakistan and the world. Now, I would request you all to have lunch. Thank you.
Services are addressed in planning and social commitments that a country makes to its own people. So, and conferences, and especially while leading up to a Conference of Parties event, and this year's will be in Baku. And sustainability is now becoming standard UN language for